These signs will serve as a warning to us and what we may expect. And as we see today, they are coming to pass. And all of the other signs and prophecies of such signs appear just around that time of the ending and destruction of the world of evil. And displaying of these signs, some in the heavens and some on the earth, and the preparations to be made for a final battle between God and the devil. Man has conquered both land and sea travel. The sea used to serve as a barrier against him, but now man has conquered her. Man now can go over her surface in the worst of storms, and he can go through her with undersurface boats as well. Now, man has cast his eyes into space to conquer it, and he is doing that. Man having knowledge of what they may expect today, they are spending billions of dollars on space travel. He has now brought the moon to him and seen some of the stars. The main thing I guess you are thinking is, can he win against God? If God and his prophets have foretold the outcome of this battle in the sky, it is impossible for man to win. What makes it impossible for man to win? Because they do not have the power of forces of nature, while the power of forces of nature is in the hands of God, making it impossible for man to win in such a war.